I welcome to all of you in this new video. Here today I'm going to talk on smartphone performance settlement scam. Guys, this is an informative video which will help you in knowing more about this smartphone performance settlement claim. There are people who have questioned that whether this claim is a scam or a real one. So guys, to know the answer of this question, you need to watch our video till end. Well guys, as you can see, this smartphoneperformancesettlement.com is the official website where you can claim for the Apple Incorporation device performance litigation. Guys, the case number is also clearly mentioned here and it is registered in United States District Court for the Northern District of California. Now, according to this case, guys, US audience who is having iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus or any SE device that ran iOS 10.2.1 or later before December 21, 2017 and or the US owners of an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus device with an iOS 11.2 or later before the same date can be entitled to the benefits which are available under a class action settlement. Guys, you need to note the important dates for the settlement. If you want to receive the amount of settlement, you have to claim for it before October 6, 2020. Yes guys, October 6, 2020 is the last date for this settlement. And the hearing of the case is on December 4, 2020 at 10 am. Guys, before I move further and tell you everything about the settlement claim, I request you all to like this video, subscribe our channel, share the video as much as you can because it will boost our spirit to make more such videos for your assistance. Guys, as you can see here, this website informs that if you have proposed any settlement, Apple will make a huge payment of $500 million. This is the maximum pay and it depends on the number of claim settlement. Now guys, you are not going to get $500 million payout to walk away as the next great millionaire. Instead, you can get up to $25 per device. So guys, it is not exactly a lottery for you. Furthermore, you can see that this website has also displayed a notice that shows all the legal rights of an US iPhone user. Guys, here you can see different options with their explanation and deadline. Now, to submit a claim, you have to fill an online form or you can do it through the email also. They have clearly mentioned that the only way to get your payment under the settlement is to submit your claim. And the deadline is October 6, 2020. Other options are also given here, guys. The most important thing you have to see is the hearing date, which is December 4, 2020. Time is 10 am. So guys, speak in court about the fairness of the settlement and you will get the time only on December 4. If you do nothing, you will not get any payment under the settlement because you have to claim for the rights to compensate for all the allegations in this case. Guys, these rights, options and deadlines are explained in the notice. If you click these notice, you will get more explanation. Also guys, I need to mention here that the final settlement power is in the hand of court only and the court will decide whether to approve your settlement and to pay you up to $25 as the claim amount or not. Plus, payments will be made if the court approves the settlement and after any appeals are resolved. So you are required to be patient. Guys, as I have gone through the information clearly, I would like to tell you that this Smartphone performance settlement is not a scam, it is a legitimacy thing, and you must apply for this because it is the right given to the US iPhone users. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, so I request you all to comment on this video as we reply on every comment of yours, guys. So keep commenting. Also guys, like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.